Your liver can shrink fat deposits by 40% in 30 days if you nail 3 variables most people get wrong. I'm going to walk you through the exact 30-day protocol, the foods that drain liver fat, the 3 supplements with actual clinical backing, and the exercise timing that matters more than the exercise itself. This isn't about willpower, it's about sequence. By the end, you'll have a day-by-day system you can start tonight. Your liver stores fat when it can't process what you're feeding it, and it has a processing limit. Here's what's actually happening. Every time you eat fructose or refined carbs, your liver converts excess into triglycerides. Once your liver reaches about 5% fat content, it becomes fatty liver, which 25% of adults now have. But here's the good news. Liver fat is temporary storage, not permanent damage. It responds faster than body fat because your liver is metabolically active 24/7. The protocol works because we're going to remove the inputs that cause storage while adding inputs that trigger fat burning. But before we get to foods, you need to understand the 72-hour window. Quick disclaimer before we continue. I'm not a doctor and nothing in this video is medical advice. This information is for educational purposes only. If you have diagnosed liver disease or any health condition, consult your healthcare provider before making dietary or supplement changes. This protocol is not a replacement for professional medical diagnosis or treatment. The first 3 days determine whether your liver switches from storage mode to burning mode. Your liver stores about 100 grams of glycogen. That's its quick access fuel. You need to deplete this first. Here's how. Cut all fructose sources, fruit juice, soda, sweetened anything, even healthy smoothies. Limit starchy carbs to 1 palm-sized serving per day. Walk for 15 minutes within 30 minutes of your largest meal. Why this works? Glycogen depletion takes 24 to 48 hours. Once depleted, your liver starts mobilizing its fat stores for energy. That's when the reversal actually begins. Most people never enter this state because they reload glycogen daily. You're going to stay under that threshold for 72 hours. Then we maintain it. But here's where most protocols fail. They don't tell you what to actually eat. 3 foods to add, 3 to eliminate. Everything else is negotiable. Eliminate in order of importance. Number 1, liquid fructose. Soda, fruit juice, sweetened anything, even healthy smoothies. Your liver processes liquid fructose faster than solid food, which overwhelms its capacity. One 12-ounce soda delivers 40 grams of fructose. Your liver can only process about 50 grams per day before converting to fat. Number 2, seed oils. Canola, soybean, corn oil. These oxidize easily and trigger inflammatory pathways in liver cells. Inflammation equals fat retention. Number 3, processed carbs. White bread, pasta, pastries, they spike insulin, which signals your liver to store, not burn. Add your liver restoration stack. Number 1, cruciferous vegetables. 2 cups daily. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. They contain sulforaphane, which activates your liver's detox enzymes. Think of it as system maintenance. Number 2, fatty fish or omega-3s, 4 servings per week. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. EPA and DHA reduce liver triglycerides by up to 30% in studies. They literally help your liver export fat. Number 3, coffee, 2 to 3 cups, black. The polyphenols increase fat oxidation in liver cells. Multiple studies show coffee drinkers have significantly less liver fat. Your daily template. Breakfast, eggs plus vegetables plus coffee. Lunch, protein plus 2 cups cruciferous vegetables and olive oil. Dinner, fatty fish or meat plus greens plus small starch portion. Snacks, nuts, plain yogurt, raw vegetables. The timing matters too. We're front-loading protein and fat to keep insulin low, which keeps your liver in fat-burning mode. Now 3 supplements actually move the needle. Only 3 supplements have enough clinical evidence to include 1. Omega-3s, 2 to 3 grams EPA plus DHA daily. If you're not eating fatty fish 4+ times per week, supplement. The studies showing liver fat reduction used this dose. Get a quality brand that lists actual EPA/DHA content, not just fish oil. 2. Vitamin E, 400 to 800 international units daily as mixed tocopherols. This is the only antioxidant with consistent evidence for reducing liver inflammation and fat, not synthetic alpha tocopherol. You need mixed tocopherols. 3. Magnesium glycinate, 400 milligrams daily. Insulin resistance and fatty liver are connected. Magnesium improves insulin sensitivity, which helps your liver release fat instead of storing it. Take it at night, bonus sleep benefit. What not to take. Milk thistle has minimal evidence for fat reduction, same with most liver detox blends. They're not harmful, but they're not in the protocol because they don't significantly impact fat percentage. But here's the variable that doubles your results. When you move matters more than how much. Forget generic exercise more advice. Your liver responds to specific timing. The two non-negotiables. 1. Post-dinner walks, 15 minutes within 30 minutes of eating. When you eat, blood glucose spikes. Your liver is deciding, burn this or store this. A 15-minute walk tells your liver to burn it. Studies show post-meal walks reduce glucose spikes by 30%. That's 30% less that converts to liver fat. Do this after your largest meal every single day. 2. Fasted morning movement, 20 to 30 minutes 3 to 4 times per week. After sleeping 8 hours, your liver's glycogen is partially depleted. Morning movement in a fasted state forces your liver to mobilize fat stores. This doesn't need to be intense, brisk walking, easy cycling, swimming. The key is doing it before you eat. Optional accelerator, resistance training, 2 to 3 times per week. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic demand, which means your liver has more tissue to fuel. Compound movements, squats, deadlifts, push-ups, 30 to 40 minutes is enough. Here's why this works. Your liver is constantly asking, should I store or burn? Exercise timing provides clear signals to burn. Miss the timing and you lose the signal. The timeline is predictable. Know what's coming. Week 1, you'll feel slightly off, maybe low energy, some cravings. That's glycogen depletion. Push through. By day 7, mental clarity improves dramatically. Week 2, your body adapts, energy stabilizes. You might notice your sleep improving. That's better blood sugar regulation. Week 3, visible changes. Less bloating, clothes fit better. Your liver is actively shrinking its fat deposits now. Week 4, most people report feeling lighter and having sustained energy, no 3 p.m. crashes. Studies show the most dramatic liver fat reduction happens between week 2 and week 6. You're building momentum. You can't feel liver fat shrinking, but you can track proxy markers. Without blood work, waist circumference, measure weekly, liver fat reduction correlates with waist reduction. Energy levels, keep a simple 1 to 10 daily energy log. Sleep quality, notice if you're waking less during the night. With blood work, optional but powerful, get a metabolic panel before you start and at day 30. Key markers, ALT, AST, liver enzymes, which should drop, triglycerides, which should drop, fasting glucose, which should improve. FibroScan or ultrasound, if you want definitive proof, these measure liver fat directly. Most insurance covers FibroScan if your doctor orders it. Even without tests, your body will tell you it's working. Trust the process. So here's your complete 30-day protocol to start reversing liver fat. Days 1 through 3, deplete glycogen. Cut liquid fructose, limit carbs, and walk after meals. Days 4 through 30, execute the template. Eliminate seed oils and processed carbs. Add cruciferous vegetables, fatty fish, and coffee. Take your 3 supplements. Walk 15 minutes after dinner every single day. Do fasted morning movement 3 to 4 times per week. Your liver can shrink fat deposits by 40% in 30 days, but only if you nail the sequence. Not willpower, not perfection, just the right inputs at the right times. If this protocol just saved you months of confused Googling, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.